Alright guys, so I have Jada here, and what we're going to do is that I have a cloth here, and I looked up because if your cat has inhaled your allergies, since I have seasonal allergies, we are going to warm this with warm water, and we're going to clear her airways, like her nose and her eyes. And so that way her system can be cleared and she will be able to breathe. And we're going to make sure that there's no crusty stuff on there too. So let's go ahead and get started. So you want to make sure that the water is nice and clean, and yes, your cat will jump off whenever she hears the water, and that's normal. You're fine, baby. She will meow because she or he is scared because she knows what's going to happen. So what we are wanting to do is that you are going to scruff her just a little bit, but not too tight. Okay. Okay, come here. Well, you can see that I'm holding her and I am just cleaning her nose. Then I'm going to clean her eyes. And then I'm going to go back. Yeah, she will meow like that. You're fine, baby. I'm not hurting her. She knows what's going on. We just want to make sure that the airways are clean and her eyes are clean too. And then we pet her, we give her some loves. Then we go back and do the same thing and make sure that the airways are clean. Then we pet her, we give her some loves, give kisses. Then we do the same process again. We just want to make sure that there's no crustiness on the eyes or nose. Now you saw that I flinched because I thought that she was going to jump off with her back legs on me. So now the cloth is cold. We are just going to put this in the dirty clothes basket. And I'll show you. Okay, what I did is that I cleaned her eyes and I wiped down her nose. I cleaned her eyes and I wiped down her nose. She doesn't have any crustiness, but it's okay to do this if your cat sneezes more than once, or your dog or any pet that sneezes more than once, to make sure that you clean her nose and your eyes to make sure that your pet doesn't have any crustiness. And you make sure that your cat or pet doesn't get any crustiness on the nose or any part of it of the summer days. So you want to make sure that you do this regularly. If she or he starts to sneeze more than once, you start doing this every time that you hear your pet sneeze more than once. I hope you guys enjoyed this little intro. I will see you guys next time. I love you all so much. Kiss, kiss. Mwah.